Hello. Oil has had a mixed week, but closed flat, whilst gas and electricity have been very bullish. Let's look at some more detail. The week began with a soft market on increased exports from Iran, and front-month Brent lost just over $1 per barrel at the close. Although Tuesday saw some initial support from expectations that Saudi Arabia would cut production, irrespective of a lack of wider cooperation, the bearishness prevailed and another dollar per barrel was lost. Strength in the US dollar and skepticism about the reality of coordination of production cuts with gains in Iraqi output were the main drivers. Wednesday's trading saw a halt to the previous losses, and front-month Brent closed marginally up on Tuesday's close. Donald Trump's news conference had the effect of weakening the US dollar, which added upward pressure. Thursday saw a reversal to the previous weakness, despite news of increased US production as Saudi Arabia announced it would cut exports to Asian refineries. Most of the previous gains were lost at the close. Brent crude for March 17 closed last night at $56.22 per barrel. That's down 23 cents on last Friday. Despite the direction provided from oil on Monday, the market was mainly influenced by a colder weather outlook, and a bullish day ended with gains in most contracts. Tuesday continued in similar vein, also taking direction from early strength in oil, and despite system length, all contracts closed up on the day. Wednesday was little different, and despite continuing system health, gains in oil and coal kept the market supported. The bullish momentum lessened as Thursday progressed, and there was a marginal reduction in some of the gains of recent days at the close. Winter 17 closed last night at 51.6 pence per therm, that's up 2.25 pence per therm on last Friday. The prices tracked gas on upwards on Monday, although the prospect of strong renewable input suppressed the front month somewhat. Tuesday saw the impact of renewables shrugged off in a strongly bullish day across all contracts. The bullish momentum eased slightly on Wednesday, although all contracts made gains at the close. As with gas, despite initial support from the wider fuel complex, the market calmed down at the close, with modest losses at the close across all contracts. Winter 17 closed last night at £49.90 megawatt hour. That's up £1.65 per megawatt hour on last Friday. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.